Clapperboard YouTube script, 1982 D penny worth thousands? The secret of the rarest 1-cent coin. Length, 700 words. Tone, exciting, informative, engaging for coin collectors and casual viewers. Studio microphone, intro, midnight to 0:30. Hey coin hunters and treasure seekers. What if I told you there's a tiny copper-colored coin sitting in your pocket change right now, worth not hundreds, not thousands, but potentially over $15,000? Astonished face. Yes, it's a 1982 D Lincoln cent, and it could be your golden ticket, without even being gold. Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most mysterious and valuable pennies ever produced by the US Mint. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for, the history behind it, and how this 1-cent coin has shocked the coin collecting world. Man Detective, Part 1, The 1982 Penny Mystery, 0:30 to 2 o'clock. Let's rewind to 1982, a year of big change. The U.S. Mint made a massive decision to switch the composition of the Lincoln cent due to rising copper prices. Before that year, pennies were 95% copper. But copper was getting expensive, and it cost more than 1 cent just to make one. So in 1982, the mint began transitioning to a zinc-based cent, coated in copper, to save money. But here's where it gets interesting. During this transition, the mint struck pennies in both compositions, copper and zinc. To make things even more confusing, there were 7 different varieties of pennies minted in 1982. Large date copper, small date copper, large date zinc, small date zinc. And those from Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D mint mark. But among these, one coin stands out like a shining star in the numismatic universe. Moneybag, Part 2, the legendary 1982 D small date copper cent, 2 to 4:30. Enter the 1982 D small date copper cent, the holy grail for Lincoln penny collectors. For decades, experts believed Denver only struck zinc cents with the small date design in 1982. But then, in 2016, something incredible happened. A sharp-eyed collector discovered a 1982 D penny with the small date design that tested as 95% copper. This shouldn't have existed. It wasn't supposed to be made. And yet, it was real. Since then, only 2 genuine examples of the 1982 D small date copper penny have been verified by professional grading companies like PCGS and NGC. These coins are extremely rare. How rare? We're talking 2 in the world rare. And because of their scarcity, the value is astronomical. One of these coins sold at auction for over $18,000. Experts estimate that if another example appeared in pristine condition, say MS65 or higher, it could fetch $25,000 or even more. Imagine, a 1-cent coin that can pay off your car, or even part of a house. Magnifying glass tilted left, Part 3, How to Identify One, 4:30 to 6 o'clock. So how do you know if you have the jackpot in your change jar? Here's what to look for. White heavy checkmark date style, you want a small date style. The easiest way to check is by comparing the 2 and the 8. On small dates, the numbers are slimmer and more compact. On large dates, the 2 is more curled, and the 8 is rounder and bolder. White heavy checkmark mint mark, look just below the date for a small d, that means it was minted in Denver. White heavy checkmark weight, this is the real test. A copper penny weighs about 3.11 grams. A zinc penny only weighs 2.5 grams. So get a digital scale, and if your 1982 D small date penny weighs over 3 grams, you might have struck gold. White heavy checkmark professional grading, if your coin checks all the boxes, get it authenticated by PCGS or NGC. They can confirm whether it's one of the rare copper versions and assign a grade that determines its market value. Fire, outro, 6 to 7 o'clock. So, next time you're digging through your couch cushions or rolling up spare change, don't overlook those pennies. The 1982 D small date copper cent is living proof that treasure can still be found in the most ordinary places. Remember, only 2 have been discovered, but who knows how many more are hiding in plain sight. Yours could be next, and worth tens of thousands of dollars. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about more rare coins that could be sitting in your piggy bank, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss what we've got coming next. Until then, happy hunting, and may your next penny be the one that changes everything. Sparkles.